Hey, everybody, it's Leo Laporte. For those of you who are a little confused, we stopped doing Ask the Tech Guys when we closed the studio. There's just really no way technically to do it when we're in our own homes. Plus, frankly, the audience and the advertisers had kind of left the building. So as we left the building, we've decided to say goodbye to Ask the Tech Guy. But that doesn't mean we're done answering your tech questions. Micah Sargent is going to continue to do hands-on tech at the same time every Sunday, 11 a.m. Pacific. He'll answer one of your questions. He'll also do reviews of products. We'll stream it live. And if you're already subscribed to the Ask the Tech Guy feed, you'll get that show, Hands on Tech with Micah Sargent. And I'm going to tune in from time to time, join Micah, maybe even answer questions just now and then on our streams. So we're not gone. We're still doing the Tech Guy thing. It's just in a little bit of a different form. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. I appreciate your support. And we'll see you on Hands on Tech.